Welcome to the latest update program. The news of the moment is Gita Gopinath is now IMF's first Deputy Managing Director. IMF Chief Economist Gita Gopinath is being promoted as its first Deputy Managing Director or FDMD. She will succeed Geoffrey Okamoto, who assumed his position as FDMD in March 2020. Significantly, Indian-American Gopinath is the first female chief economist in IMF history, appointed in October 2018. Note that an FDMD is a post in IMF. As an FDMD, Gita Gopinath will take the lead on surveillance and related policies, oversees research and flagship publications, and help foster the highest quality standards for IMF publications. The International Monetary Fund, or IMF, promotes international financial stability and monetary cooperation. It was established in 1944 and currently has 190 member countries. Dear viewers, to watch this topic in Hindi, please visit our Hindi YouTube channel.